Are you so over living on processed food and takeout? Are you worried about what all that crappy food is doing to your body? That's why I started the Fearless Cooking Club. I want to turn you into a total kitchen badass. You'll develop steadfast kitchen confidence. You'll find delicious dishes made with real food. You'll learn the ability to cook without a recipe. You'll find a way out of eating processed food and takeout, and you'll feel great in your body and amazing about your eating decisions. With easy to follow video trainings and colorful cooking charts, you'll learn how to cook healthy, gorgeous dishes without the 15 years and tens of thousands of dollars I had to spend to get there. In the Fearless Cooking Club, you'll find video trainings that show you exactly what you need to know without all the fluff. You'll find printable cooking cheat sheets that make cooking so easy and you don't have to remember anything. And you'll get 24/7 cooking support where you can get your questions answered right when you need it, like now. Everything in the Fearless Cooking Club is delivered online and compatible with any device. The cheat sheets come in PDF format, so they're compatible with any mobile device, computer, or printer. I totally know how it feels to live on frozen pizza, boxed mac and cheese, and taco truck burritos, because hello, yum, they're delicious. But then my body fell apart, like super game over. I was sick for years, I could barely get out of bed, and my doctors had no idea what was wrong with me. As it turned out, it was what I was eating. Apparently, that old adage is true, you really are what you eat. All of that crappy food was killing me. I ate like crap and I suffered for it. I started cooking for myself and saw miraculous results with real food. I could suddenly function again. I felt like a living, breathing human being. Like, I didn't even think that was possible anymore. The problem was everything I was making tasted bad, very meh. So I did what any average young-ish woman would do. I went to culinary school twice. I went for savory and I went to pastry. I started working in restaurants and I learned from the best in the industry. I traveled the world learning how to cook international dishes, and I even wrote a cookbook. Now I want to teach you everything I've learned in my cooking career. That's why I started the Fearless Cooking Club. It's my online cooking school for everyday people who want to cook better, get healthier, and have a hell of a lot of fun doing it. I want so much for you, by way of your body, by way of your health, by way of your confidence. Scroll down for more info.